Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Mark and welcome to today's vlog. It's been a while, yeah, because I have all sorts of excuses for that, but today is a good day, yeah, because, well, first of all, we've been waiting for the 308 for ages, and I should have got her home months ago, but she's not. She's still at Gus. Well, she is back at Gus, but she was still at Gijs the painter. And man, I'm not happy with that guy. I'm sorry to say it, but it just took ages and ages and ages for something that I think is very simple. And of course, I'm not a painter. Yes, it takes time. You have to wait, etc, etc. But come on, guys. I should have gotten the car in October. Well, I wanted to get the car in October. It's now December, you're watching it probably at Christmas time. That's why I've got my lovely Christmas sweater on. I just came from a Christmas party on my way to Gus to deliver these. Yes, because the car is now at Gus. It's almost finished and I'm gonna pick her up on my birthday. If everything goes the way I planned it, I'm gonna pick her up at my birthday. And birthday. Happy birthday to me. And well, that means January the 5th. Remember that one? January the 5th, I'm gonna pick up the 308. Unless the weather stays like this. It's awful here in the Netherlands. I don't know. Which is a nice country. We haven't got any mountains. That sucks. We haven't got too many traffic rules, that sucks. It's too busy, that sucks. And the weather always sucks. But yet, life is good. Nah, never mind. So, January the 5th, we're gonna pick up the Ferrari. But now let's go to Gus and look at how she's standing and put the damn wheel caps on. Now, the wheels are painted. And I don't exactly know if I like them. I've seen a picture and I could have made a little mistake here. Nevertheless, I decided all I want with this car is to drive it. So we're gonna accept whatever it is and drive it. And if I don't like it, maybe in a year or 2 years, we're gonna change it all. But for now, let's go to Gus. You know what? Let's do this one. Here we are at the candy shop. And there's my little precious. Final touches. The brake caliper is being, oh, that's difficult. There's proof that English is not my main language, because I don't know how to tell you guys that they are bleeding. Yes, bleeding the brakes. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at that. And here's the surprise, guys. The rims, the wheels are painted gray. A little bit darker than I expected. I'm going to be honest, I have to get used to it, but somehow it feels life okay. So, perfect. We're not going to change anything about it until we need a new set of tires. Maybe, if I don't like it, then we're going to change it, but for now, I think it's perfect. Just look at the stance of the car. Absolutely gorgeous. And you know what? What we are gonna do, I'm gonna take this one and put them back on the wheels. Well guys, So what do you think of the Ferrari, the rims, and the fact that January the 5th I am going to pick my baby up on a trailer. Yes, we're not driving her home. I just talked to Gus and he advised me not to take the car on the freeway just immediately, because simply the car has been in pieces. What if there's something wrong, or so I'm borrowing his trailer, take the car home. I need to find a car that can tow the trailer, but that's another problem. Then at home we're gonna do the finishing touches, do some driving around the neighborhood just to get the car better. And then before the season really begins, we're gonna take the car back to Gus for a final check. But man, oh man, I'm so happy. After 5 years, it's finally happening. No more delays, because there's been so many disappointments that I really felt like giving up many times. But we didn't. We stick to it. And yes, I know I didn't take you on a journey these last few months. And I didn't make any real videos because it did something with me and with the fun I had and have in making videos. But I think we're gonna pick that one up again. For now, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully see you again very soon, and I'm gonna wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Cheers.